Beneath the soft soil of riverbanks lives a creature that silently shapes entire ecosystems. Often unseen and underestimated, the brown earthworm plays a vital role in the balance of life on land. But what makes this simple creature so powerful? The brown earthworm, scientifically known as Lumbricus terrestris, is one of the most important soil-dwelling invertebrates on Earth. Despite its simple appearance, this organism is a key engineer of natural ecosystems, especially in moist environments near rivers and streams. Brown earthworms thrive in damp, oxygen-rich soils, making riverbanks an ideal habitat. Seasonal flooding deposits organic matter, creating fertile soil where earthworms can burrow, feed, and reproduce efficiently. The body of a brown earthworm is made up of segmented rings, allowing flexibility and precise movement through soil. It has no lungs. Instead, it breathes through its moist skin, absorbing oxygen directly from the surrounding environment. As the earthworm feeds on decaying plant material, it breaks down organic matter into nutrient-rich castings. These natural fertilizers improve soil structure, enhance water absorption, and increase plant growth. By constantly tunneling through soil, earthworms aerate the ground and promote microbial activity. This process supports entire food webs, from microscopic bacteria to birds and mammals. For humans, brown earthworms are invaluable in agriculture and environmental management. They improve crop yields naturally, reduce the need for chemical fertilizers, and are widely used in composting systems. Though often hidden beneath our feet, the brown earthworm is a silent guardian of the soil. Its simple existence sustains life above ground, reminding us that even the smallest creatures can shape the world.